On the 31st of August 1908, with 3,171 tons of patent fuel, the three-mast sailing ship, the Verajean, set sail. Its destination, Chile. There was two tugboats, the Lady Morgan and the Salvo, under contract to tow her to Lundy Island. The tug stated that there was too much wind to tow her down the channel that evening, so they anchored her at Barry Docks until the next day. The further they got down the channel, the stronger the winds became and the more choppy the seas got. According to the court hearing, the master of the Salvo states that the contract had been fulfilled and that he had taken the vessel to Lundy even though they were still 5 miles out of Shutter Rock Point. After the tugs left, the fresh gale was too much for the Verajean to handle, so the master decided to return to Barry Docks. At 2:30 AM on the 31st of August, the Nash lights were abeam about 5 miles out. She was in 11 fathoms of water and blowing a gale of exceptional violence. About 5 AM, the sails were set to bring the ship around, but before they could, the wind blew them away. She thereby became unmanageable and drifted towards the shore. Flares were sent up and the lifeboats got manned, and shortly after the vessel struck the beach. The seas broke over her and she was then abandoned. All the crew got ashore and one of the lifeboats was smashed against the rocks. The ship was abandoned on the beach for the next 2 weeks while they tried to lighten the load. Grateful locals filled their coal cellars with enough fuel for the next 2 years. The court hearing claims that due to the exceptional violence of the weather and the master's lack of knowledge of the Bristol Channel, that anchoring the vessel in such an exposed situation was an error of judgment, and the serious damage caused to the Verajean was not done by any wrongful act. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about this ship and how it got abandoned all those years ago on my local beach. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more content like this. But until the next one, see ya!